Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I have decided to share something that holds a really special place in my heart and in my shelves. So these are picture books because picture books have been introduced to me by my professor. I'm so thankful to her for introducing me to this world of books. And when I read my first book, I instantly fell in love because I am an artist. I love pictures, I love drawing, I love illustrations, also love stories. So the combination of both was just too good for me, and I fell in love instantly. So I have a very small collection of picture books that I want to share with you all. I got this picture books when my internship ended in Mukwang, Goa, and I decided to have a little collection of my own so that when I start my own journey as a storyteller, I have a little collection. So I want to share these books with you all. These books are really great, and I have only got those books that are loved by everyone, totally recommended by everyone. So none of these are like something that will not be recommended. So if you want to get any of these, you can always go buying. I'll provide the link in the description box below, all the sites from where you can get these books. So let's get started. The first book is very special because this was the first book that I ever read, first picture book that I ever read, and all thanks to my professor for bringing this book in the first class itself. And I took it back home. I read it so many times because it was a mirror for me. A book could be a mirror or a window for you, and this was a mirror for me. I resonated with this book, and because the book is set in Chhattisgarh and it resembles so much with Jharkhand, so it is a tribal dominated area, and the culture is similar, the everything, so this book has a little boy who also comes from a minority group, and it is his story. And as an Adivasi, you might know how what a significant role an ant chutney plays in our culture. We have all known about it. It's not something alien to us, and having that having that read in a book, see how the ant chutney is prepared in our home, and having that read in a book was totally new for me because none of the mainstream or dominated books have these kind of illustrations and have these kind of stories which tell your story. As an Adivasi, it is my story. I have seen this all through my life, and to have it see it in a book was really special. So as soon as I read this book, I resonated with it, and I bought this book for my own. And I've been giving freebies to my clients, and these freebies are these picture books that I got. I had a few, but I gave already to some of them. So I wasn't able to give this one specially because I don't think I'll ever be able to give this book to anyone. This is very special to me. I forgot to tell you, the story is written by Shivani Taneja, and it is illustrated by Udita Leela Unni. She is a very great artist. I have spoken to her personally. I love her illustrations. It's like if a child reads this book, the illustrations would come off as something that the child would be able to resonate with and think like, yeah, these are something that is possible for me also to draw, and it's not something unachievable, realistic art. So that is why uh, being an artist, illustrations and the significance of illustration also is very important, and this book has it all. So I love this book, and I got this of my own, very special book. If you want to read it, you can read it. You can get it from me, or you can buy it and have a copy of yourself. So yeah, this is the book. I'll provide the link for all the books in the description box below. Uh, so I'll quickly show you all of the books. I'll not talk much about the books. In the end, I want to talk about something that's very important. So yeah, stay till the end. book is this भेड़िया भेड़िए को दुष्ट क्यों कहते हैं. I have got a lot of books in Hindi language because I thought when I want to start my journey as a storyteller, to start a community library of my own, I want children to have accessible to all the stories, and I didn't want language to be a barrier in that. So I have got a lot of Hindi books, and I also wanted my father to experience and read these books. So I also got it in Hindi and not just English. So these books are also available in English language, but I have the Hindi ones of some of the books. You can find in other languages also. The publishing houses have also started translating the books into different languages. So you can do a little research of your own and find those books. So yeah, this is also published by Eklavya. It is a CBSE recommended. It is written by Kanta Greba, and the price is only 80 rupees. The thing that I love about most of the publishing houses, the books that I have specially got, there are publishing houses that have books that are a little pricey, but the books that I have got are reasonable and affordable, and these publishing houses have that in mind, that if these books should be accessible to all the children of every community. Every child has the right to experience these kind of books. That's why the books are not that pricey, and I love that thing about these publishing houses, Eklavya, Muskaan, Pratham, everyone. So the next up is this, Na Asman Gira, Na Chand Bauklaya. It is written by Mahni Mirza, and the Chitra is by Sagar Polwankar. It is published by Eklavya Muskaan. These books are totally worth reading it, and I feel like children might not be able to get the theme of some of the books, like I have Sir Ka Salan. So if an adult reads this book, you will see a lot of politics, and you will understand the politics behind it, and a lot of things that children might not understand. For children it might be a mirror or a window, but we know that there are books that don't promote some things, but the books that are here are inclusive and have all the things that that children should be known of, that children should be aware of, and all the children, because children are not as judgmental or as biased as we are. So for children to experience all these kind of books is their right. So that is why we as adults, we will understand the importance of literature like this. But children will only be able to see it as a window, as a mirror, and they'll not be as judgmental as we are, because some might not select this book to be read to the children. Some might not want this book to be accessible to some children, to their children, but some of us will really want that a literature like this should exist and should be read. So yeah, as an adult, I would totally recommend other adults who are watching this video to read these books. If you're not into novels, it's okay. These books have such beautiful illustrations and such beautiful stories that you would really want to read these books. So yeah, next up is Basti Mein Chor. It is in 2 languages. It is written by multiple authors. So the thing about Muskaan Eklavya is that it collaborates with a lot of writers and illustrators, and brings stories that are often unheard of. So that is what I had. This one more book that I would want to, I'll put it here somewhere on the screen. It was Basti Mein Baad. Lovely, lovely, lovely book. You should have that book. You should read that book and should spread the word. Next up, I'll show you quickly all the books. Next up is this Mazzo Mazzo, a folk tale from Kashmir. So this series has 8 books, and if I'm not mistaken, this series has a total of 8 books, all folk tales from different parts of the country. I wish there was a folk tale from Ranchi, Jharkhand as well, but that's not there, because the dominant cultures, and they are there, but our voice is still not there. So it will be someday for sure, I know. But right now it's not there. But there are a total of 8 from West Bengal, I know, and from Punjab also. So there's a folktale of all of these different states. A total of 8. Really funny one, nice one, good story, mazza mazza. From the cover, you'll not be able to tell what the story is about. And I did a book talk on this story. If you want me to do a book talk, I'll do. If we have time, I'll do it in the end for you guys also, so that you understand what this, or understand or have a spark of reading this book. Next up is this Satrangi Ladkiyan, and it has two sides, Satrangi Ladkiyan and Satrangi Ladke. So this book has 2 stories in it. How amazing! Kyari Madam. All of these books I got because I wanted to start my own journey as a storyteller. So thinking of that, I got all these books, and yeah, I haven't started it, but I will start soon. You know. Kyari Madam, it is also published by Eklavya. Educators, do read this book, you'll love it. Last but not the least, I have these 2 books, really special. As an Adivasi, I needed to have this in my collection. This is We Come From the Geese and Earth Rest on the Tortoise. It is published by Adivani, a single woman publishing house. You must know that woman, Ruby Hemrom. So I have these 2 books, and this, I'll just read what is written on the back. Johar, we are one of the original peoples, the Adivasi of this land. Our ancestors said that Santals were born from a pair of geese, Hus and Hasil, and used to tell the story of our creation. All the peoples on earth have stories of their origin. This is ours. We want to preserve it here for you, Gidra, and also share with children all over the world. So this is just for ₹90, and the illustrations are done by Boski Jain. Yeah, I had to have this in my collection. So yeah, there are so many books that I have given to other people, like my clients, as freebies. One of which is my favorite, Mukund and Riaz, The Watermelon Fruit, Khichdi, really good books. And yeah, so we have come to the end of the video, and I wanted to share with you all that I am going to start a crowd fund for books. So it is going to be under Pratham. They have this one site, and I'm going to share it on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I'll put the my Instagram handle below. So do follow me. There you will get to know about when the crowdfund is starting, and I am planning to start a community library of my own in Torpa. I want to do it in Torpa because it's my गाँव, मेरा घर है वो. So I want to start a crowd fund for these kind of books, and to bring this literature to our children. And yeah, so the details will be provided to you soon on my Instagram handle, or I'll make a separate video on YouTube highlighting all the details of this crowd fund. So do donate, spread the word. I hope we are able to start a small community library of our own. You will get to see I have such big dreams of this library, the name and everything, but I haven't started it. But now I'm really into it. I really want to start this library, and yeah, so you will get to know more about it soon. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching till here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.